Alright, here's my next one. A Gemini 200 Delta MD-88. And the newer colors actually. This is discontinued. I got for Christmas. It was on a restock on Waffle Collectibles, so I'm really happy to have this. You don't come around these often. They have the new livery, or the old livery of Delta, but I want the new one, so yeah. I'm pretty sure this is used because it's really dirty, but you can't see that probably. But what I've noticed is that the gold, whatever, right here, it's like shinier. Probably can't see that on this camera, but it's really shinier compared to the normal other boxes. This is an old one, so yeah, it's the same stuff you'll see on any model box for Gemini 200. It's got the 2 buttons, so it's the only difference for me. Oops. Yeah. So, alright. So I guess, yeah. Alright. Since this is an old model, it came with the old stand, which sucks so bad. I mean, when I put it together, the model's too heavy, so it falls over. So, but I didn't let it fall over. So I'm not gonna use that one because it's crap. This isn't used, obviously, because it smells so bad. The phone. So, anyways, and yeah. Let's take it out. Not again. Oh my gosh. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Okay, all I did was take it out of the box. I touched the I forgot what this is called, stabilizer or whatever. I touched this and it fell off. You gotta be kidding me. This is my first time. Oh no, it's not my first time opening it, but I opened it once and it was fine. Be right back, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. I got it back on. It just snapped back on. I mean, it's a little wobbly. I'll have to glue it on later, but for now it'll do. Like my other model, the Frontier A319, its engine came off. If you haven't seen that, all I did was snap it back on. That's what I do right here. So I have no clue what's happening to me. I only got 2 of them. They're both broken when I open them. So I don't know. Not sure if it's just my luck or if Gemini sucks at making models, but I don't know. Otherwise, as usual, it's a great model. The features are good cockpit detail, the SkyTeam logo, here's the front. What I've noticed, I'm not sure if you can, is the wings. It's hard to tell in this camera. The wings are really like curved, just not curved, but bent, because it's on the ground. When it's in the air, though, they're flexed. So I wish they had it when they're flexed. They made it so the wings are looking like they're flexed, but they're more down. So. November 908, Delta Lima. So, Here's the JT8. And the windows in the back. I'd hate to have that seat. So, good engine details in the back. Here's the doors where you can get on underneath if you need to. So, good detail there. Standle, Gemini Jets logo, rolling landing gear. So, here's an antenna right there. This one doesn't have as many. It's got oops. It has these right here on the. I really like these. This one, that one, so beacon, one antenna right there, and one right here, one right there. There's only about 3, so there's one right there too. Yeah, that's really all I have to say about this model, guys. So yeah. I forgot, I don't remember how much this was. I got it for Christmas, but it's off Waffle Collectibles. It's not there anymore though. There was only one, so, but yeah. So yeah. Let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. I'll be right back. Alright, here it is, guys, on from a lower standpoint. So I'm just gonna move it around just to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it. So I got some more, a couple more models, but they're not that great. They're free models that came with the purchase, so. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.